today, maybe it was yesterday, the opening of our first office in Canada, which comes, we've opened an office in Dublin this year, opened an office in Miami this year.
Here we go. What a day. Breaking just moments ago, U.S. economy shrinking for the second straight quarter. That means a recession is well underway. As we say good morning, I'm Bill Hemmer. A ton to get to today, so we waste no time.
We will waste no time at all. I'm Dana Perino. This is America's Newsroom, and this is exactly what the Biden administration anticipated would happen. They tried to get in front of it with messaging, but the numbers are the numbers. The Commerce Department announcing GDP shrank by 0.9%, and that is then the second consecutive quarter, which means that there is a recession.
And there's been this ongoing debate. You got to get out Merriam-Webster's dictionary. Okay, so we're going to define recession for you. Here's the bottom line. The Biden economy is shrinking as the Fed unleashes rapid-fire rate hikes to try and stave off the highest inflation we've seen in more than 40 years. Let's get right to it. Maria Bartiromo joins us now. Maria, good morning to you. Go ahead and give us the news, because they projected 0.5% on the positive side. The number was a negative 0.9. We missed it by 1.5 points, right?
Yes, that's right. Good morning to you both. We are now in recession, and we can confirm that because it is 2 quarters straight of contraction. The economy shrank in the second quarter by 0.9% on top of shrinking in the first quarter by 1.6%. Now, so far, all of the commentary that I'm hearing is talking about a shrinking of the economy, but the good news for the economy is that job growth has stayed strong. And that was why some people were questioning, well, maybe it's different this time. It's hard to believe that job growth can be up to 300,000 in 1 month.
I don't know about you, but if you look at what is happening closely, it seems that the U.S. is inevitably sabotaging its future. Yeah, I said it. In this interview, Brad Garlinghouse talks about how they could likely shift their base to Canada since that country has more favorable conditions. And Ripple keeps growing outside the U.S. And this is just a hypothetical, but when you think of it critically, do you think Ripple is planning to move its headquarters out of the U.S.? And if so, how will it affect the price of XRP? We've got a lot to talk about today, guys, so strap in and let's get started. As always, welcome to Moneyside, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get updates when we drop new videos. And don't forget to smash that like button. And remember, you can always leave a comment, a question in the section below. Just recently, the government has gone after Kraken after this U.S. exchange was prohibited from selling cryptocurrencies to certain individuals in specific countries. For instance, Kraken allows users in Iran to buy cryptos on their platform, yet the U.S. government specifically forbade such actions. In recent times, there have been growing fears that TikTok data policies could jeopardize users' crypto. This debate has been going on for quite some time, and with good reason. It's only a few days ago that Brendan Carr jumped into the debate and wants Apple and Google to remove TikTok from their app stores for its pattern of surreptitious data practices. Brendan Carr was once the legal advisor of the commission and other offices. And with that, we expect that this debate will likely end in TikTok explaining what's actually happening with their data policies, or the app will be removed from several stores. And on the other side, Bitcoin pumps all the way up to 22,000 as the Fed hikes rates by 75 BPS. The price went all the way to 24,000 before slowly settling back to 22,000. Chances are this price could potentially go a little higher before tumbling down again, but let's wait and see what happens next. And if you thought that crypto was too risky, so you decided to go for stocks and ETFs, we also have losses on that side as well. As a matter of fact, the hailed metaverse just suffered a $2.8 billion loss in the second quarter. And from Mark Zuckerberg's words, it's obviously an expensive undertaking over the next several years. And what does that mean? Well, the metaverse is about to suffer even more losses for the next couple of years. Sorry if you entered the ship too early, because it's going to get rough. Other blue chip tech stocks are also releasing their earnings reports within the week, and everyone is eagerly watching to see what will happen. Will it have an impact on cryptocurrencies? Chances are these tech stocks might also witness some losses, as we've seen online ad sales have dropped. Most investors are choosing to go risk off. Additionally, according to Korean media Donga, there's been an enforcement to ban multiple Terra managers from leaving that country. Now that means the government is now catching up on the Terra saga and we could soon see some interesting headlines. On the bright side, Ripple is still aiming for the skies, bagging a lucrative partnership with a Singapore-based payment firm, which will leverage on XRP's blockchain power for cross-border payments. That means things are looking up for Ripple and its team. And last but not least, the XRP Ledger's server just got updated. If you thought Ripple is going to go down in history as the crypto company that lost its case with the SEC, think again. I bet Ripple is well on its way to making a significant impact on the whole crypto community, and XRP will not be left behind, despite what's happening in court. And speaking of court,
right now, the judge has laid out all the filing schedules, and I think summary judgment is November 15 is when that would all be due. Someone moves to change that date is pretty much set in stone by the judge right now. So unless something changes, November 15 is still going to be the date. Even though something's being appealed or there's still a pending motion, unless someone does something that changes the date's kind of set in stone. So as of right now, it's November 15, and someone would have to move the judge to change that date.
So does that November 15 is the final date of where it finishes, the summary judgment finish, or is that the start date of the summary judgment?
That's when all of the briefs have to be submitted to the judge.
Oh, okay.
So this will not be a trial like, excuse me. Sorry.
It's fine.
This will not be a trial like with a jury. This will be decided by the judge at summary judgment. So this is just going to be a paper motion. So there's going to be briefs submitted by November 15, and then the judge, in theory, the judge could rule on it by November 16. We know that's not going to happen, but the judge will have the case to be decided on November 15.
November will be the day. The SEC will have to release those documents by then for the case to continue further. But that's not the only shocking news about Ripple. Guys, this massive spike in trading volume should be monitored carefully. Chances are we could witness interesting price changes within the week. XRP's price action is quite crucial to the entire crypto community. For the longest time, this crypto has held on to the top 10 cryptos in the market, even with all the challenges it's facing. Chances are billionaires and whales are stocking up their XRPs, awaiting the future of this crypto. I've said this in many previous videos. Raul and Kiyosaki are among the top influential people in the crypto and fiat markets, and they are both buying as much XRP as they can. And the SEC is just playing mind games with us, so you don't end up investing in XRP. As a matter of fact, the SEC doesn't even really know the difference between securities and non-securities. Yeah, I said that. Do you doubt my words? Well, check this out. The SEC just called 9 more cryptos securities in their insider trading case. They also went ahead and filed a complaint against Coin. The SEC also listed 9 cryptos as securities, namely AMP, DDX, RLY, XYO, Power, CROM, LCX, RGT, and DFEX. When given a list of questions to answer after declaring these cryptos as securities and whether their action was a precedent on how they would identify crypto assets, they declined to comment. This is a classic Hinman's speech situation all over again. And then the SEC will decline the idea that they said anything towards that, then later come to the light and use this speech to their advantage. Like I said, the SEC doesn't really know what they are doing, and that could potentially push us back to the dark ages. Now, what do I mean by dark ages? The federal government will unintentionally push all great innovations out of the U.S., and this could not happen at a worse time. Right now, the U.S. is clearly suffering from a recession, as are most people, and things are just going to get worse. As always, do your own research and always trade safely, guys. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You can always let us know what you think in the comment section below, and let's have a conversation. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and please click on that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next Money Side.